Hello, Cricketers, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week without fail. Now, in today's tutorial is really a follow-up to the tutorial that I did the other day. I think a couple of days ago, I shared my process for doing glass etching on a plate that I picked up from Dollar Tree, right? So this was the glass etching that I did. If you didn't get a chance to see that tutorial, go back, or I'll put a link down below for you to get to it quickly. Because I'm not going to do etching tonight, but I am going to show you how you can add some color to your etching to make your design stand out even more. I'm just going to be using some rub and buff. I purchased two packs of these from Amazon. I know they come in multiple colors. I only purchased the metallic silver leaf. That's the color of this one, and I'll show you the process. It is so simple, quick, and easy. Now, the night that I did the glass etching, I did share that I had done glass etching before, and I did a design that looked like this a few months ago. And I don't know if you can tell, but the color on this one, I already did the rub and buff on this design right here on this plate. So it has a more of a pop to it. And I even tried using this pen. I picked up one of these pens from Dollar Tree, and it just says, it's called Deco Color. I'll put just the information for this pen if you want to try it. I did try it on the back of the plate. That's where you see the heart in, I don't know if you can tell, let me put the paper behind it. But you can see that it's, I don't know if you can tell, but it's gold and the rest of the design is in silver. But without further ado, let's just get started. So I will just change the view on my camera so you can see what I'm doing with the rub and buff. And it is a very quick and easy process. I'll show you, and we should be done here within about 5 to 6 minutes. All right, so like I said, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Go ahead and do that. Turn on the bell for notifications because I don't want you to miss any tutorials, and I am on the road to 4,000 subscribers, and I want you to join me every step of the way. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I have my plate and I have parchment paper like I used the other night. I just put the black cardstock under here so you could see the design clearly. This is the rub and buff. I have one that is already open, and because this parchment paper is going to be trash, I'm just going to put a little bit on the paper, and I really don't need much. This stuff, a little bit goes a very, very long way. Let me show you where I just put a little bit right there. I'll use a paper towel. You can use your finger. You don't have to use any special tools. And I will just go over the etched part of the design. It doesn't matter if I go over a little bit on pieces of the design that are not etched, because anything that's not etched will wash away, and there won't be any problems, and I'll show you. And now what I'll do is just take the clean part of this paper towel, and I will wipe away the excess. This is the finished product. So hopefully you remember what it looked like before. And if you don't, go back and look at the previous video or rewind to the beginning of this video. But adding that rub and buff did make the color pop a bit more. This is what it looks like, and hopefully you're able to follow this process. Now, I would suggest using a dry towel. I did wet this one, and that just, to me, that slowed the process down. So I would say stick with a dry towel. If you don't use a paper towel, you might use a rag or a towel that you don't need, or something that's not too important to you. All right, but at any rate, thank you so much for joining me today. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on the bell for notifications because I don't want you to miss anything. All right, thanks so much for joining me today, and thanks for watching.